Kamusta mga boss? Welcome sa aking munting channel, ang Kanta Kwento. Inipon ko para sa inyo ang mga highlights ni Chor ng France Rhythm upang ipakita ang kanyang taglay na talento. Pero bago tayo magsimula, hihingin ko muna ang inyong like, share, at subscribe bilang suporta sa ating channel. Sa nakaraang video, tinampok ko ang mga highlights ni Chen o Master Chen sa pagsasolo ng gitara. Ngayon naman, si Chor ang ating pag-uusapan. Siya ang pangalawang anak ni Francisco Birid, isa sa mga miyembro ng family band na France Rhythm. Masasabi ko na si Chor ang isa sa pinakatalentado sa magkakapatid. Noong bata pa si Dodds at hindi pa nakakasalang sa drums, si Chor ang nasa pwesto nito. Nang mag-drums na si Dodds, nag-focus na si Chor sa keyboard at talagang napakahusay niya. Nakakabilib rin ang kanyang pagsabay sa second voice para kay Chen sa mga cover nila. Magaling niyang i-harmony ang kanyang boses. Ngayon, panoorin natin ang mga highlights ni Chor.
Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistake, but I just want you to know I hope he buys your flowers. I hope he holds your hand, give you all his hours, and he has the chance. Take it to everybody, 'cause all you wanted to do was if not for you, baby, could I'm looking for someone to talk to. I've got my friends, I'm more than okay. Still I believe I'm missing something real. I need someone who really sees me. Don't wanna wake up alone anymore. And I'll give all the love in the world. If this California keep it, we're 10,000 miles apart. I'll bet California wishing all these stars for your heart, for me, my California king.
Karanasan ko rin sa buhay ang aking pinaghugutan at saktong ito ang nangyari sa kasalukuyan. Makiuso pag may uso, yan ay sakit na natin, pero di yan tama, dapat ang sarili ay hanapin. Ang pinakamali sa lahat ng pagkakamali, yung di mo alam na meron kang ginagawang mali. Ituwid natin ang baluktot nating nakaraan, gawing tama ang ating mga maling karanasan.
Sorry.
Found the love of a lifetime. You won a lottery and died the next day. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like waiting on a Wednesday. It's a free ride, waiting for any bed. It's a good advice that you just said and say. And who would have thought it's bigger? Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. I'm one of the greatest and no debate on it. I'm still levitating. I'm in the medicator. I run her cow game with love and there ain't no pain on me. She told me she loved me and she been riding me fighting hard for your loving. Around thing on my patience. Need someone to hug you, but took it back to the basics. You see what you got me, how you doing? Might have thrown me up again, nobody starting moving. Let's go. Left foot, right foot, levitating. Pop stars, do a leap with the baby. I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If you ever slip or fall into a better situation, so catch up. Go bust some cheese in and get out, get your bread out. Yeah, I was leaving the fire to run to get out. Weight on the world on my shoulders, I get my head out. No baby, stand up. This girl, you want me, I want you, baby.
Personal akong napapabilib sa iba't ibang talento ni Char pagdating sa instrumento at pagkanta. Kahit saan siya ipwesto, talagang solid. Kung napahanga at napabilib kayo ni Char, baka pwede ninyo itong sabayan ng like, share, at subscribe bilang suporta. Talaga namang si Char ay bata pa, at ano na lang ang mangyayari kung ituloy-tuloy niya at palawigan pa ang kanyang talento sa instrumento at pagkanta sa hinaharap. Patuloy tayong mag-update tungkol sa pamilya Bired of France Rhythm. Mga kakwento, magkomento kayo ng inyong masasabi para kay Char at kung may nais kayong ipa-shoutout o kanta-kwento sa susunod nating video. Maraming salamat mga kakwento. Muli, ito ang kanta-kwento.
In my head, but it's just a